Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 ways to earn online. So before starting, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Want to generate money during the coronavirus pandemic without having to leave your house? Or do you want to learn how to make money online so you can support your trips once the coronavirus has passed? A new research on 50 methods to make money in retirement has recently been released by International Living, a website dedicated to assisting those who want to live and travel abroad. The report is geared at seniors who want to fund their lives in a foreign country, but there's a hidden gem. Between the tips on how to start a gallery, become a tour guide, and join the craft beer boom, there's some sound advice on how to make money online. The editors of InternationalLiving.com emphasize that, no matter your skill set, no matter what you do now or did in the past, there is an option that will connect with your skills and passions. The list is extensive but not exhaustive, according to Jennifer Stevens, executive editor of International Living. Stevens explains, "We designed it to give folks a sense of the vastness of possibilities out there. We've written extensively on the various ways expats in other countries support their lives. It can happen with internetworks, such as writing or drop shipping. From running a resale business to wedding planning, they sometimes give in-person services. Indeed, the internet options offer a lot of flexibility. But it's worth pointing out that business owners in many places tell us that it's much easier to start a business abroad because it's often less expensive and less bureaucratic than it is at home. Even though it may appear to be an uncommon time to begin a new job, Jeff Opdyke, the Prague-based editor of The Savvy Retiree and a contributor to International Living, believes that it is up to us to learn how to take back control of our own lives, lifestyles, and personal happiness." Opdyke also points out that, despite all of the harm coronavirus has caused and will continue to cause, it may positively affect the workplace. What this problem demonstrates is the ability of so many workers to detach themselves from cubicles and work from home, or anywhere, he says. "I believe that a growing number of forward-thinking businesses will see the significant cost advantages that can be realized by allowing employees to work from home. When workers already have locations to work, at home, in a coffee shop, or wherever, there's a need to pay the costs of running a cubicle farm. And I believe that as a result of this, we will see higher productivity because people will be more motivated. So, while you may be working from home right now, this may eventually lead to you living and working abroad, and living the dream." What is Opdyke's advice? Aim to be as productive as possible. Be too productive. Step up your game so that after it's all over, you'll have some leverage to approach your supervisors about working from home. That is, if you enjoy your work-at-home lifestyle. Not everyone will agree with you. But if you enjoy the freedom that those of us who work remotely do, then now, in the midst of this crisis, is a fantastic time for you to shine so that your supervisors notice. Watch out for 10 ways to make money online. Whether you want to live in a foreign location someday, merely want to work from home in the present coronavirus climate, or want to restructure your profession to be able to work remotely forever. It's crucial knowledge to have during this economic downturn and beyond. Here's a list of the best ways to earn money online. Number 1. Sell your photos. Are you a photographer, or do you live in a region where photographs are in high demand? International Living states, stock photography websites are massive archives of photos, spanning practically every potential subject you might conceive. So, how does it function? Photographers can post their photographs to several massive databases, making them available for purchase by magazine editors, designers, and any other group with a website. The beauty of stock websites is that photos may be sold multiple times, allowing you to earn money without exerting any effort. Shutterstock, PhotoShelter, and Getty Images are some of the best photography sites to visit. Number 2. Create how-to videos. According to International Living, YouTube has emerged into the go-to source for all manner of video courses and guides. Instructors can commercialize their films by charging a subscription fee or password-protecting content that is only accessible to paying customers. This post offers advice from a real estate agent who made $100,000 on YouTube in a month. Another bit of International Living advice: get to know the terms that people use to search. Start typing "how to" your topic into YouTube search bar and see what words appear in the auto-fill dropdown. When writing your video title, description, and tag, include the exact keywords. Number 3. Become a copywriter. Want to make a good living regardless of where you live? a beach property in Latin America, a historic European city, or even a Greek island. You might be a good fit for copywriting. Copywriting is a mega industry, rich with opportunity, according to International Living. And hungry for someone who can refuel it with new marketing messages. One of the best aspects of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars while living nearly anywhere on the planet. Express Writers offers advice on how to become a copywriter as well as job listings. Number 4. Teach English. You may not realize it, but you already have the number 1 qualification you need for a fun, portable income that can offer you a steady salary from anywhere in the world if you are a native English speaker, explains International Living. GoOverseas.com, Teach Away, teach English online to Chinese students. iTutor Group, teach English online to Taiwanese children and adults. And English Hunt are some of the options available. Teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea. Number 5. Turn your interests into a podcast that pays. According to International Living, podcasting does not have to be difficult. You'll be up and running in no time with a microphone, a laptop, and some free recording software. Plus, podcasts don't have to be broadcast every day, once a week is ideal, and are more effective when they're brief. A podcast can be used to earn money in a variety of ways. Commercial sponsorship is the most obvious, but you can also use it to promote your products or services. NPR provides a beautiful guide to getting started with a podcast. Number 6. Internet research and surveys. Another approach to get money is to spend your free time perusing the internet or taking online surveys. International Living suggests, if you're seeking for a means to make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month part-time, then internet research is for you. You can earn money by adding the site QMe to your browser and clicking on a search result. You can also make money by participating in QMe surveys and sharing your thoughts on various products. Survey Bods, Survey Junkie, and Valued Opinions are some other survey sites. Another option to earn little cash incentives while on the go? Travelers can earn up to $600 per year by simply listening to music and accomplishing various chores using the new app Current. Number 7. Become a translator and interpreter. Do you have a second language? There will be a demand for interpreting and translation services wherever there are expat communities, and English is not the primary language. Online translation and interpretation are also available. Here you'll find several tools for working as a translator or interpreter. One of the best is Willocalize, which came first on this list of the top 20 firms for remote jobs in 2020. Number 8. Try drop shipping. Do you know what drop shipping is? It's a type of retailing in which the seller doesn't have any physical inventory. Instead, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer when a customer places an order. International Living recommends, this means you'll never have to pay $1 to keep your products or maintain your inventory. Plus, you'll never have to buy things in bulk in the hopes of recouping your costs. This strategy can be used with online marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon. Drop shipping is a method of selling products online. Drop shipping is a business concept in which the things you sell are not kept in stock. Instead, when a consumer purchases something from your site, the item is fulfilled and shipped by a third party. Because of the minimal initial costs, it's becoming a more widespread technique for novices and experts to generate money online. Dropshippers tend to follow the current fashion trends. While there's nothing wrong with jumping on a hot product trend, keep in mind that plenty of other product categories are more stable and offer similar potential to succeed. Number 9. Become a freelance proofreader. Another lucrative internet job is proofreading. Most agencies will pay a proofreader roughly 25% of the price of a translated document, International Living says. The cost of translating a 5-page basic business document is around $75. As a result, proofreading the identical material, which takes roughly an hour, pays $18 to $20. You can work full-time, part-time, or 24 hours a day. Tips on becoming a proofreader can be found on MediaBistro, a website that provides tools for media professionals. Number 10. Type for cash. Are you a typist who can type quickly? It's easy to transcribe. Using headphones, listen to an audio file and type it out. Your income as a transcriber is directly tied to how fast you type, International Living recommends. Instead of being paid by the hour, Transcription jobs are compensated by the audio hour, the length of the audio file. The audio quality, background noise, the speaker's accent, and the speed at which people talk all influence the amount of time spent on a transcript. The average transcriber will complete 1 audio hour in 4 hours of work, typing between 75 and 100 words per minute. Consider the transcribing company Rev.com, which recruits freelancers. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and also press the bell icon so that you can get notification about our new videos. If it was helpful, then share it with others. Thanks for watching the video.